Pragati, Ashutosh, Sanika, Prasanna, Indumati, Kartiki, Alekya. Everyone clear until now?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes.
Yes. None of the girls are replying. Girls, समझ में आ रहा है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. All right. Good. So now, yes, it's very easy if you have to practice it every day. Now we'll do one more. It's called document reversal. Okay. First, we'll understand what is document reversal. Go here. Alekya, can you read?
Yes, sir. Document reversal in SAP FI. Document reversal means cancelling or undoing an accounting document that was posted incorrectly. Instead of deleting the document, SAP creates a reversal document with opposite debit and credit entries so that the financial records remain auditable.
Okay.
Simple example, suppose you posted
Correct. Continue.
this ledger A entry by mistake, account debit credit, office expenses 10,000 debit, bank account 10,000 credit, or document. Shall I continue, sir?
Yeah, continue.
Document number. Later you realize the amount you should be have been 1,000, not 10,000. You cannot simplify delete the document because it has already affected accounting. So you perform document reversal. SAP creates another document. Account debit and credit. A bank account 10,000 debit, office expenses 10,000 credit.
Okay, stop now. See, document reversal. Document reversal means cancelling or undoing an accounting document that was posted incorrectly. See, you posted, right? You posted one office expenses debit 10,000, bank account credit 10,000. But then you realize that it should not have been 10,000, it should actually been 1,000. So what do? You cannot delete it. You cannot delete it. So what do? You do a reversal. Then it happens, bank account debit उल्टा हो जाता है and office expenses credit हो जाते हैं. Clear? Yes or no? So that it reverses the document. Yes or no? So original document was plus 10,000, reversal document was minus 10,000, net effect is 0. Everybody got the concept theoretically?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, why is reversal needed? Yes. Indumati, can you read?
Yes, why is reversal needed? Wrong amount posted, wrong GL account used, wrong posting date, wrong company code, duplicate posting. SAP transaction code FB08, right?
FB08.
Reverse okay, 08. Reverse individual document used to reverse a single F1 document. It's
FI,
small.
finance document. FI document, oh, finance document.
FI, okay. Okay, finance
Okay, enough,
document.
Indumati. Thank you.
Mhm.
Yes. Now, we will go. Uh, yes. Sanika, can you read why doesn't SAP allow deletion of finance documents?
Yes, sir. Why does not SAP allow deletion of FI document? FI document represent accounting transaction for audit and legal compliance. SAP keeps the original document and creates a universal document instead of deleting it. This maintains a complete audit trail.
Okay.
Shall I read the example?
Wait. So why doesn't SAP allow deletion of finance documents? Finance documents represent accounting transactions. For audit and legal compliance, SAP keeps the original document and creates a reversal document instead of deleting it. This maintains a complete audit trail. Correct? Yes or no? Simple understanding theoretically. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let's go.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Let me just close all these tabs. Two, 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 and two. Slash n. We'll go to first. We'll go and see our postings. Okay. What is the T code to see the reporting? GL reporting. क्या है T code?
FBL3N.
Correct. FBL3N. FBL3N will go GL account. Open items में जाते हैं. Yes. Now there are two documents. Yes. Now if you click on the document, let's say first one, 1000. If you click on it, you see something like this. Yes. Now if you go to here, document overview, this sun and two mountains, if you click on it, you can see the document entry also. Yes or no? Accounting entry, purchase account debit and cash account credit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And if you go here, general ledger view, yes. Display currency, if you go, okay, nothing. If you go to the hat one, yes, you will see more details. Yes, you can see more details. If you go on the hat icon, you can see more details. Okay, now it is what? Purchase account debit and cash account credit. Let's say you want to reverse this. You want to reverse this document. Yes, let's go. FB08 is the TCO. Yes, let's go. New tab open. FB08. Document number 1. Yes, this one. Company code is SAN1. Fiscal year is 2026. Why do you want to reverse? Reversal reason you have to give. Why do you want to reverse? Let's say wrong posting. Wrong posting we can select. Yes. Document number is correct. Company code is correct. Fiscal year is also right. Reversal reason. Enter. And then now you can post it. What does it say? In company code SAN1, the number in 02 is missing. The number is 02. Which document type have we used for posting? Can anyone tell me?
Aise.
Essay. Very good. Essay. Now it says number in 02 is missing for the year 2026. Now we can go here. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting global settings. Documents, document types, define document types. We'll go to essay, and double click here. Yes. What does it say? Document number range is missing. Yes or no? Document number range
Yes.
02 is missing. Yes or no? So if we enter 02 here, no wait, let's keep 01. 01 only here. And if you go here, company code SAN1 intervals. 01 is already there. Yes or no? You can add 02 also from here. Can you see? Insert line 02. You go plus, you can write 02, enter 2026, and we'll go here. We can start from 2. Then enter, and then so see, what does it say? NR status above for one say na? Why does it say NR status 10001? That means we have used the document number 10000, and then we have also used 1000001. We have used. Next document will be 1000002. Yes or no? This is this. It goes step by step ahead until it completes 19999. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
That is the status. And now we have assigned the number in 02 also. It starts from 200 and ends from 2999. Let's save it. Save. Yes. Now the number range is there. Now. Now let's go. Yes. Now let me press enter. What does it say below? Document 2000 was posted in the company code SAN1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now let's go.
Yes.
Now let me go back. Again, reporting मेरे को check करना है. What is the T code to check the reporting? Let me go back. Let me go back. Okay. Now open items. If I go execute, see in the open items, this has been reversed. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
1000 has been replaced by 2000. But why document type is AB for reversal? If you see now 10,000 is only remaining. 10,000 was done and then 10,000 was there. So it was 20,000 total. But now we have reversed it, so only 10,000 is remaining. So why is the document type AB for reversal? If you see here, if you go to 10001 and if you go here, it is purchase account debit to cash account credit. Now, if you go to 20002, it is ulta. Purchase account credit and cash account debit. Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, if you can click on the purchase document also and see the details. You can click on the, and this reversal. I want to explain you this reversal. ऐसे ऐसे था ना, we made the changes in SA. Why is it showing AB for reversal? I'll